Oh, we're having a fabulous time. Rose State is hosting the first grade students from Telstar and Willowbrook elementary schools. We have the Thunder Bus here and Rumble here and all kinds of fun activities.
Today, our students are here celebrating with Thunder. We're learning about reading and learning that reading and education is fun.
Here's one about Mice on Ice.
We're giving books, and we've got book bags coming from Thunder. And if you see those kids after they get their pictures made and they get their book bags, they just open up.
They really look up to the Thunder basketball players, and Rumble, the mascot. And the fact that someone they look up to is pointing them toward reading, I think that's going to be extra motivation to help them to want to read.
Lived a sweet little girl named Anya, whose greatest dream was to become one of Santa's elves.
We have to realize that the school where I come from, the kids are lower economic level. And so something like this, to be able to go out and have an activity that helps kind of trigger the holiday spirit is very rare.
And we realize that these kids, this may be the only gift that they get during the holiday season. And so it becomes especially important for us to be able to do that, to reach out and help someone less fortunate.
Our children, a lot of them don't have this opportunity. So for Rose State and the Thunder to provide this opportunity for us, it's just been a godsend. They're excited, we're excited. It's just a great day.
Holy